got to work this morning and noticed that this loader, which we have taken off both of the brake hubs and the tires, those jacks used to be sitting flat on the ground, so the loader has slid back. So we are attempting to pull it back straight, and then we'll block up the tires. The loader slid back. Just about fell off the jacks, which would have broken the differential. So hopefully we can get it back on. Like we got it. Now we'll block up the tires so it doesn't slide back again. Well, that was close. Just about had a big repair. Good old backhoe to the rescue. All right, we are taking some hay samples out of our 5th crop silage bag from last year. We just took some. Taryn's patching up the holes. We'll go do a few more and actually show you how we did it because we forgot to on the first go round. Hey, Taryn, you're gonna want to get in the Ranger.
Oh, I'm going to. I'm just giving Trevor a piece of tape.
Come on, you're waterproof. It's only, look,
Up to like
it's only
6 inches.
It's only this deep. You're not even to the top of your boot yet.
Oh, it'll be to the top of the boot if I walk out there. It'll be up to my knee.
Oh, it's just a little brown water. Well, it's not brown. I want my boots. I don't want anything brown in my boots.
I told Trevor he'd know real quick if he had a hole in his boot.
This water's good enough. You could probably drink it if you just filtered out the something stuff.
It's your filter rod.
Gotta plug the hole we made so no air gets in, so it'll spoil the silage. See how deep the manure water is? I probably would have stayed closer to the bag. Good old Ranger that everybody cusses. Still living and breathing. You can start right here. This will be David's 5th crop. Build the core sample.
Doesn't Josh have all the bags?
Yeah.
We need bags, Josh. And the little plunger thing.
Okay, now with his sample that he took, pushes the rod in to push the hay out.
There's a white piece in there. See that? That's not all of it. There's a little white chunk in there.
Get the piece of plastic out of the sample. And do number 2 sample on this field.
Oh, yeah.
It drops the drill in the trap. And that is David's sample.
He does, but he doesn't use it for fireworks. Well, I know, but they're saying it doesn't cost the farm that much to keep them on because all they do is use their phones for farm work. I don't know. Well, and they said they'll pay. They said they will pay for all.
Got the last bit of sampling, at least from this bag. Just getting ready to sample our last couple bags.
Exactly right. On the pictures for sampling with this, in the video, you're supposed to sample the silage from the top at an angle. They also make like a 8-foot throw.
See, we have a nice sunny day. It's making everything just a muddy mess.
Sorry, Christopher. Had a little bit of a cave in.
On to the next one.
Yeah, honestly, I can't see Grandpa running that.
Just the way he talked that day in the shop when he was talking about running trucks, and I'm like, well, I usually run the International. And he kept going, well, we got to get somebody that knows how to run the International. Well, that's what I ran last year. Maybe he isn't planning
Be
on
replacing that right here. Too rough, mate. All right, let's go to the next spot.
All right, hey, give him a push.
I need to push you up here. Am I getting up here still? Are we just walking around?
No, we want to see you try to get up and fail.
I can't get up.
That's what I mean. We need to video you failing.
Almost. Oh, you almost had it.
I know. I'm not gonna make it. If I try to run, I'm gonna sink in the snow.
Oh, you made it.
I did it. Yeah, there's no marks on that bag.
Pretty deep.
No, on this side.
No holes in the boots yet, Trevor?
No holes in the boots yet. Just the ones at the top.
We'll see if they get stuck or not.